Everybody, welcome back to another video about Babydoge coin. Babydoge holders, how are you? Hope you're feeling good about Babydoge coin. Guys, you know what? A lot of people also ask me questions about Babydoge coin, that when will the price pump? So, guys, this video is very good news video for all of you, and that's also good news for all of you guys. Hope you like this video. Just watch, and I request all of you to please click the subscribe button for more updates and news videos. So guys, you already know about the Babydoge coin, that the changes is completely going wrong, and a lot of people are worrying about the Babydoge coin. That you can see here, my friends, from the changes from the last 24 hours, the changes of the Babydoge coin is going wrong, going negative. Negative 10.08% the price decrease from the last 24 hours. So there is really a big loss for all Babydoge coin holders, but never mention, my friends, never mention this loss. That's not a loss, guys, because you can see here Babydoge coin is a low price coin, and always remember, the low price coin will only give you profit, not loss. Guys, you know what, a lot of people also decide to sell due to these negative changes, but guys, I think that is really a big mistake of all of you, then, that you decide to sell Babydoge coin due to these negative changes. Oh my god, you can see, my friends, now in the start of video, the changes of the Babydoge coin is 10, negative 10, but now the latest change you can see here 9.58%. so now that means that the Babydoge coin start jump. That's why the changes has become positive. So guys, don't lose hope and just hold for a long time. I hope everything will be okay. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.